You're welcome to another edition of Ushbebe D'Artitse. Ushbebe D'Artitse. And you look sober this morning. What's up?
Sergeant Blind, never take another man's tie and die. I'm working on my new song.
Oh, really? That's it?
Yes, that will be visible.
You know, when you started with Sergeant Blind, I thought maybe you were talking
I did not say Sergeant Blind, I said Sergeant Blind. Because I'm a traveler, you understand? As an artist, I make sure I travel. Even when they don't invite me for something, I go there. Do you understand? But not Nigerian something. I'm talking about foreign invite. You understand? Okay. I go there like recently now they did that and this thing Bowen just died. I've gone there to perform, do you understand? Sharply for the family, you understand? Before they start even crying, I've performed for them.
Before they started crying, did you hear of his death before the family?
That shocked me, you understand? Because I was on my way from I travel, do you understand? But I was on my way back from Cairo. When I heard the news, you understand, on my social media.
What did you go to do in Cairo?
It's because of the Egypt war. The fight in Egypt. I'm doing like a campaign.
The fight
NGO
between who and who exactly?
The Egypt people now. We are acting. I thought Egypt war. Who want to fight Egypt war? Is it Cotonou people that want to go and fight Egypt? Your questions are always confusing.
I wanted to know if it's a fight between the Muslim Brotherhood and the Shiites, or you went to Saudi Arabia to.
Who else is in Egypt?
They have Muslim Brotherhood in Egypt.
And who else? You are saying you want to know if it's a Muslim Brotherhood of a Shia?
Or maybe it's between the military and some other people.
Please, if you notice my interview, I hate military. Do you know why?
Why?
Because they can beat somebody to Chris. So I hate it. I don't talk about them. You understand?
You don't
I don't. My music is not military music. You understand me? I'm not a military musician because I want to live long.
So did you perform in Egypt?
This show that I thought it's my NGO. I do not tell that I go to perform.
What does an NGO
But a musician going any trip does not mean that he's going to perform. It's like when you talk say a Nigerian artist go to visit a rich man. He don't go to collect small things. You understand? It's not every musician that go to perform. You understand? So you need to think.
Can you give examples of Nigerian artists that go to collect small things?
That's normal. It's all of them who thought it's Nigeria. Timi Dandolo. You understand?
Timi Dakolo.
Because if it's only that thing as the Dakolo thing, you think he will eat. You understand? His voice is sweet, sonorous, and lovely. But the Nigerian people cannot buy that CD. Do you know why? Because Nigerian people don't like slow motion. It's like when I want to perform in one wedding now. At that time I was singing R&B's. You understand? So when I drop my R&B's like that, the groom or wife, that is the bride, she sleep for the show. But immediately the DJ play rough song, the woman wake up, start to dance. That's what I noticed.
Which song did you sleep that made her sleep? We would like to hear the song.
It's a cool R&B that I just did. Do you understand?
Can you just give us one or two lines on the R&B?
It's soft. Yeah, you know which of the R&B do you want me to sing?
The one you sang that made the bride at the wedding sing.
Because it's two. I have two R&B patterns.
Which one did you sing?
The one that I sing that made her shock. That made her sleep off.
No, you said the one that I sang that made her sleep off.
The one that I don't teach me English. This is not. This is interview of English or interview of work.
No, but
the one that bros. You know the way I'm calling you now. I can stab you. You know why? Because you are part of people that are spoiling my work. Do you understand? I don't even know if you are using juju for me to call this your show steady because I don't go to other radio stations because I felt that you are the one that will make me blow. But brother,
you mean you feel?
I think you are using my destiny.
You mean you feel I'm the one that will make you blow, not felt?
Your fat man. You are using my destiny. No, I don't know that you are using my destiny because even the destiny look like something that's fake. So I'm not even complaining because it will affect you. If it's that my destiny that you want to use for this my music career, you know why? Because that's why I sang the blues, R&B.
But I told you to sing the song, and you are finding it difficult to even remember the song you sang.
Because then it was a banger until the woman slept on it. Do you understand? It was a banger. Can you do it like this for me? Banger. It was a banger. Thank you. Until that's the dance of the video. I'm remembering it this much more now. Okay, so because that's the dance.
So you can't remember one or two lines.
It's oh lover, where that doesn't say wedding.
From Lagos to Uyo, from Uyo to Port Harcourt, it's the Chronicles of Ushbebe Live. the 5th edition. Holding on March 13 at the Muson Center, Onikon, Lagos. Time is 5 p.m. Featuring AY, Godons, I Go Save, Helen Paul, Shaylor. Music performances from Tubaba, South Sultan, Yemi Alade, Lil Cash, Harry Songs, Fast the Bad Guy, Reminisce, Techno, YC, Ice Prince, Vintage Band, and many more. Your host is Juliet Ibrahim. Tickets, regular 5,000, VIP 10,000, tables 300 and 500,000 naira respectively. Get your ticket on www.ariatickets.com. The Prince Supermarket, Bagada, Labule Ogudu, Delta Kitchen, Body Tamosuliri, Nexus, 39 Island Avenue, Ikeja, Preston and Porter, 27 for Lao Shibo, Lekki Phase 1. For tickets and table bookings, please call 0802-990-6500. It's the Chronicles of Ushbebe Live. Holding on March 13 at the Muson Center, Onikon, Lagos. Time is 5 p.m. Supported by Nexus, HNK Interior. Powered by Property Mart.